Toyota's pre-collision system is a key safety feature designed to prevent accidents. Understanding when and how to temporarily deactivate it can be important for specific driving situations. The pre-collision system uses advanced technology to monitor the road ahead. It combines millimeter wave radar to detect objects and measure distances with a monocular camera that identifies pedestrians, vehicles, and lane markings. While PCS is generally beneficial, there are specific situations where temporary deactivation is necessary. These include car washes where sensors might trigger false alarms, when towing trailers, during off-road driving, or in construction zones with temporary obstacles. For Toyota models from 2020 to 2025 with TSS 2.0 or 3.0, there are two main methods to temporarily deactivate the pre-collision system. The first method uses a dedicated PCS button, typically located to the left of the steering wheel. The second method uses the multi-information display menu system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and finally Pre-collision System, where you can turn it off. This dashboard interface provides more detailed control options. Important to remember, the pre-collision system automatically resets to the on position after each ignition cycle. This safety feature ensures the system is active for normal driving, even if you temporarily disabled it for a specific situation. Now let's examine the important safety considerations when dealing with Toyota's pre-collision system and explore what the future holds for this technology. First and most importantly, permanently disabling the pre-collision system is strongly discouraged by safety experts and Toyota engineers. These systems are designed to save lives and prevent accidents. Safety researchers have found that these collision prevention systems reduce rear-end collisions by 40% and prevent approximately 2.7 million crashes annually in the United States. Additionally, permanently disabling these safety systems may impact your insurance policies. Some insurers offer discounts for vehicles with active safety features, and disabling them could affect coverage or premiums. If you do temporarily deactivate the system, it's crucial to remember to turn it back on. Studies show that 85% of drivers who disable the system forget to reactivate it manually. Looking toward the future, the automotive industry is moving toward even more advanced collision prevention systems. Let's explore the key trends shaping this technology. The evolution of advanced driver assistance systems shows a clear progression from basic rear-view cameras to today's comprehensive surround view systems, leading toward fully autonomous vehicles. Three major trends are driving this evolution: increased integration with other safety features, artificial intelligence enhancements to reduce false positives, and growing regulatory pressure that may limit user override capabilities. The ultimate goal is creating smarter systems that require less user intervention while maintaining safety. These systems will learn from driver behavior and adapt to different driving conditions automatically. In summary, while Toyota provides options for temporary deactivation when needed, the industry is moving towards systems that are both safer and smarter, requiring minimal user intervention while maximizing protection for all road users.